Hey guys, Zar here. Hope all is well. Just checking in. Watching NASDAQ this morning on a very sloppy, sluggish, sleepy morning. This is 3 a.m. of course, London Open, New York time, but and really nothing this morning. This is the 30-minute chart that I'm actually watching, by the way. I'm tracking the 30-minute lately because of how sluggish everything has been, with lots of wicks and fake outs and things like that. Potential fake outs. We haven't been sucked into any of them, thankfully, but I can imagine that a lot of traders have been. Now, what I am doing now, right now, is dropping down to the 10-minute to see if we can get a break above this action. And so what I'm going to do is refine my zones, you see that there, to the 10-minute, as if that's the one that I'm trading. I'm going to take off this opening range. I don't need that anymore. Opening range marker, of course. If you're part of my Telegram group, you understand what that is. A free group, by the way, there's no charge. Link in the description. And waiting now to see if we can close above. Back to the 30. Struggling here at those wicks. 2 minutes left here on this 10-minute chart. Very sloppy. Flip you over to the SPY, S&P 500. Also very much range bound. The DAX though was pushing up. Interestingly, was pushing up very strongly and then has also pulled back. And here's the FTSE, completely range bound here as well. So there's the Nas, the SPY, the DAX, the FTSE, all of them doing nothing. Let's step right out of our comfort zone here and go to gold. Let's take a look at gold here. Interesting. All right, now gold's pushing up here. And lately, the last few days, Friday and Thursday, I think Wednesday of last week too, I traded gold and basically gold and GU instead of the indices because it's just been so sloppy and unproductive. Unresourceful, really, to be trading the indices lately. For most of the day, had a couple of killer trades last week. Friday, actually, right near the close, a trade that I was able to add to 3 times, and it was a nice big winner. But aside from that, I mean, I had to wait all through London and all through New York to the last 30 minutes of the day to get that set up, and so sometimes that's what you got to do. But patience can really pay off. All right, a few seconds left here on this NASDAQ. Pushing up. It's going to flip to this S&P. No, nothing there. So NASA's what I'm looking at here. I think this is reasonable to consider. I'm just going to watch this with you now as I open up my own platform. I had to restart my PC because everything was locking up. And I realize now my Interactive Brokers account is not open. Bear with me. Just watching this price action together. The new 10-minute candle has begun. Got a bit of a top wick. And now pulling back to create a bottom wick on that next candle. That's the very least I would want to see in this situation where we have these top wicks. I'm going to draw my horizontal line on the highest one, of course, because that's the post that we need to bypass in order to even consider taking a long here. And I say we, that means me. And now buying here, buy stop limit above this market right there. See that there? If this blows through, taking along for a 1-to-1. Just looking for a 1-to-1, not trusting much more than that here, guys. watching. Give this a 1.3. 1.3 to 1 inside of the body of this candle. All right, here we go. Not triggered in yet. And now I'm in. In now. Stop below previous candle low. As a matter of fact, now I'm moving it to current candle low. Very high chance of being stopped out. Removing this back to 1 here because of the way that I'm seeing price actions. Let me just measure this out again so you understand exactly what I'm doing here. There it is, the 1 to 1, and now reducing that. That stopped significantly. Target 91.25, bear with me, 91.25, right there. Stop current candle. Kind of jumping around here, guys. I apologize for that. I just had to enter my order real quick here over at Interactive Brokers when my platform was opening up. After restarting my PC. I'm going to show you this too. This, Three Sisters. There's the NASDAQ pushing up. All right, that's better. NASDAQ on the far left. Then the Dow beside it, and the S&P 500. And we have the DAX on the far right. All right, NASDAQ, Dow, S&P, and DAX, all of them now trading above the London Open and above their 20 EMA. Bringing you back to the main screen. This is my first trade of the day. It's been really sloppy. Waiting for it now. Patience. Stop to break even. Absolutely willing to take a break even on this. And done, guys. Nice trade. So that was it was 11.5 points on a sloppy morning, but it was a 1 to 1. So we got a 1R. It's a nice way to start the week and a nice way to start the day here on Monday, December the 12th, holiday season on the NASDAQ. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again a bit later if we get some more setups. I'm guessing we will, at least in New York. We're still very much in the London session right now. Talk soon, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye now.